Welcome to our channel. Today we how to pay your Boost mobile bill, online payment guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Go to the official Boost mobile website by typing boostmobile.com in the address bar. Look for the sign-in option at the top of the page and click or tap it. Enter the email address or username linked to your Boost mobile account. Type your password carefully and select Sign in to access your account. If you forgot your password, choose the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. Once you are logged in, find the section labeled My Account or Billing on the main dashboard. Click or tap on Pay Bill or Make a Payment to open the payment screen. Check the amount due and confirm the due date shown on the page. If you want to pay the full balance, select the option for Total Amount Due. If you prefer a different amount, select your payment method such as credit card, debit card, or bank account if available. If this is your first time paying online, choose Add New Payment Method. Enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV exactly as shown on your card. Fill in the billing zip code and billing address details if the form asks for them. Double-check every digit to avoid failed payments or delays. If you want future payments to be faster, select the option to save this payment method. Review the payment summary to confirm the amount and the payment method are correct. Look for any service fees or notes displayed before you submit the payment. Click or tap Continue or Review Payment to move to the final confirmation page. Read the confirmation page carefully and verify your account line or phone number is correct. If everything looks right, select Submit Payment or Pay Now to complete the transaction. Wait for the processing screen to finish and do not close the browser during this step. When the payment is successful, you should see a confirmation message and a confirmation number. Take a screenshot or write down the confirmation number for your records. Check your email or text messages for a payment receipt if notifications are enabled. If the page shows an error, refresh once and check your bank or card activity before trying again. Log out of your Boost mobile account, especially if you used a shared or public device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.